Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Qlip English, your cozy place to learn English through natural conversations. I'm Olivia.
And I'm Michael. How are you today, Olivia?
I'm great, thank you. This morning, I woke up early, made some tea, and sat by the window. It was so peaceful. And you?
I'm good, but I have something funny to tell you. This morning I was in the kitchen making breakfast, and I was talking to myself in English.
That is actually wonderful, and that is exactly what we are talking about today. Many of you tell us the same thing. I want to speak English, but I have no one to practice with, and I don't have time.
So today we're going to show you how to practice speaking English every single day with only 10 minutes.
Yes, just 10 minutes a day. That's 70 minutes a week, which is a huge improvement if you currently practice 0. Here are 5 simple and powerful tips to practice speaking English alone. Tip 1. Talk to yourself. When you're alone, speak English out loud. Describe what you're doing. I'm cutting tomatoes. Now I'm making coffee. It smells good. This trains your mouth like a muscle. Tip 2. Use the mirror trick. Stand in front of a mirror and speak to yourself. Watch your face, your mouth, and your expression. This builds confidence and helps you get used to seeing yourself speak English. Tip 3. Shadow a speaker. Listen to a podcast or video and repeat immediately after the speaker. Copy their speed, rhythm, and pronunciation. Even 2 minutes of shadowing every day improves your speaking fast. Tip 4. Describe your world. Look around and describe what you see in English. I see a blue cup. The window is open. The sky is cloudy. You can do this anywhere, at home, on the bus, or in a cafe. Tip 5. Use a timer for self-discipline. Set your phone for 10 minutes. During that time, only speak English. No distractions. Do this at the same time every day. This is how you build a real habit. I had a student who was too shy to speak. After doing these 10-minute sessions every morning for 1 month, his friends told him his English sounded much more natural and confident.
Just from small daily practice?
Yes, small daily practice really works. Your challenge. Starting today, practice speaking English alone for 10 minutes every day this week. Use any of the 5 tips you liked most. Speak messy on purpose. Tell us in the comments, which tip will you try first? And are you a morning person or an evening person? If you enjoyed this episode, please like the video, subscribe to Qlip English, and share it with a friend who is learning English. In the next video, we're going to talk about how to stop translating in your head, a very important lesson you don't want to miss. Thank you so much for watching. Keep practicing every day. See you next time. Bye.